Hi, my name is Adrian. Today we're going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of websites, and I'm going to skim through like the good features of personal websites. So, advantage of websites, first thing, easily accessible. Websites are URL, right? You just simply click a link and you're there. It's very simple. And then attention grab. So, since everyone, a lot of people, I would say, it's on internet all the time nowadays. So grabbing attention online is actually very easy right now. Yeah. So having a website and then it's easily like you can reach your target audience slightly easier. Freedom in the design. Since you're designing your own websites, you have the freedom to design whatever you like. So you can put your own color scheme, color theme. You can have your own theme of the websites. It's you have the freedom on that, and those are the advantages of websites. And second thing is, all right, the constraints of websites. Reaching target audience is actually the main issue, even though the attention grab is a good thing. Because websites are open to everyone, so reaching target audience is actually the main issue of designing a website because it's really hard to reach a target that you want uh, with such an open world, like such an open field. You probably only like reach 30 or 40% of what you were thinking about your target audience. So it's actually this is the main issue in general. These two, security and copyrights, are just there because security. It's mainly because encryption problems. This is very technical, so since we are making website on a third party application, this is usually not a problem. But if you're doing your own website, encryption is very important. So people won't just steal your source code and then just redesign your entire website. That's mainly the thing. Yeah, copyrights, because internet law it's not that clear right now. Like it's not very, how to say, not very uh, clear, I think. Yeah, just in general clear. So uh, we have to be very careful on this because people will judge us on this thing. So we have to do very good citation, very good linking, so we don't have any problem with copyrights. And then, so let's skim through about good features for a personal website. These two are very a trend nowadays. So multi-layers means you have multiple masks to cover and review different contents. So it's like your UCW website. If you go through this buttons, like in general, so this is the face, right? This is the first face. So this is the face of the website. And then you have a bunch of buttons or just links you can click to. These are the masks. So they pretty much tells you, okay, this is what it is, undergraduate. And then it's under admission section. And then you have academic major, blah, blah, blah. So these are the masks, and then you click on it, they review the information of it. So having multi masks or multi layers is good because you don't have to put all the information in one face, like one page. So it's not a mess. If you put everything in one page, it's a mess. Trust me. All right. So responsive design is very technical. Responsive designs are optimized for screens of all sizes. So desktop, laptop, mobile device. They have different size in general. Let's go to this one. So when I have a full screen, right? On this website, I have 4 on one line, one horizontal line, and then I have like 6, 5. Yeah, 6. And then if I minimize this, it becomes 3. And then I have like, I don't know, 7. Yeah, 6. It's still 6. Actually, 7. Yeah. 7 pretty much content, right? So responsive design is pretty much designed as to fit in every single screen, even mobile. So when you have different device, it's very good because you don't have to design different kind of websites for different kind of devices. So it's actually very trendy nowadays. All right, that's all I'm going to talk about. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Youssef, and I'm going to be going over the technical aspects of developing a website. The development of a website is split into two sections, the front end and the back end. The front end is primarily composed of 3 languages, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and back end is composed of so many languages, but the most popular and used ones are PHP, Node.js, and MySQL these days. So moving on to what the front end is. Front end is what you interact with. And as I said, it's composed of 3 languages, and let's see what each of them do. HTML, what it does is that it creates items and lays them out onto your web page in the order of your choosing. And what CSS does, it makes those items look pretty. Basically, it allows you to add style and design to those items. So a demonstration of this is that if you look at the image on the right is HTML with no CSS code applied to it. On the image on the left, it's HTML code with CSS code applied to it. And you guys can see how useful CSS can be in terms of front-end development. And JavaScript, what it does is allows the website to be more responsive and interactive to the user. And moving on to frameworks and libraries. Frameworks and libraries are basically code that has already been written for you, so that way you don't have to rewrite code. This is to ease development process. Moving on to what the backend is, I'm not going to go over it too much because it's very complex, but basically what backend programming languages are used for, they're used for accessing and storing data from and on to a server. Moving on to console. Console is a tool used by web developers to debug their code, or debug is a programmer's word for pretty much diagnosing problems. So I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of that. So say I'm going to the UC Davis website and I'm developing this website, and say I don't like this logo here. I want to try to see how this website would look with a different logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to select inspect, and that opens up the console and it automatically points to the image source, which is the UC Davis logo image source. And I'm going to change it to say this logo right here. And I'm going to right click and select copy image address on this logo. And I'm going to point the image source to the Dunkin' Donuts' logo image source instead of the UC Davis logo. And there it is. And say I want to make it look bigger, maybe 80% would do. Well, congratulations, you all go to school at Dunkin' Donuts now. I'm joking, of course. And say I don't like this campus alert, this big red box here. I want to see how the website would look without it. I'm going to right click on it, select inspect, and I'm going to go here and press the delete key because the console has already highlighted the HTML item. Delete, and this is how the website would look without it. So you guys can see how useful the console can be as an asset for web development. And that would be it for my presentation. Thank you very much.
What's going on, guys? My name is Joshin, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually make the website. So there's multiple ways you could do this, such as using Wix.com, Squarespace, Blogger, WordPress. Today I'm just going to be showing you one of them, which is Wix. And this one's very user-friendly, which is why I decided to do this one. And so as you can see, when you go on the Wix website, it gives you two options. You could take a survey. Right here it says start now. Or you could choose a template. So when you take the survey, it'll ask a few questions, such as like, why are you using this? What are you going to be using it for? Who's your target audience? And it will create the website for you pretty much automatically just by answering those questions. And you could choose a template, which is the way I'm going to show you today. So if you click on choose a template, it'll take you to a screen like this. You can see all the templates. We have business, online store, photography, video, music design, etc. As you can see, there's multiple options, a wide variety of things to choose from here. Let's just say we click on business, and it will give us subcategories like pets, animals, finance, law, real estate, automotive, cars, etc. And as you can see over here, it gives you like what the website will look like, and we pick one, and it'll have a video right here, how to edit it, how to add what you want, where you want it. And this is very user friendly. As you can see, this is basically telling you exactly what to do. And after you watch the video, you go and go on the website. As you can see, it's very easy to edit. As menu pages, background, add apps, my uploads, booking, start blogging. You can add basically whatever you want. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna run you guys through it actually if we go on the website right now. So create a site. What do you want? Let's say we want a blog. And then it'll give you this whole thing again. Let's just say choose a template. Let's go with the food blog. And edit. And that user-friendly video didn't pop up because I already watched it. But as you can see, you can edit on mobile, settings, you could whole bunch of different things. You can make it in multiple languages, rulers, grid lines, and you could code. So say we want to add another section, subheadings, basically anything. Any design, we could add our videos, we could add our music, social media. So this is for example, when we're doing the blog roll and stuff. Your contact info. As you can see, this is it's a very clean cut website as well. And the advantages of this is it's super easy. And it's just easy as telling people hey, check this website out. But a disadvantage is older generations are not very tech savvy. They might not want to even visit a website. So if you're trying to target older audience, it might be a little difficult. And that's about it, guys.
Now that we understand the different models of a website and the platform that websites have, we will now discuss a particular layout that most websites contain. Mostly all websites have advertisements. Advertisements serve as a way of marketing. Depending on the website and search engine, advertisements tailored individually to your wants. For example, Google keeps a record of what you generally view and uses that information to offer you what they think you might buy. Advertisements serve as an outlet for income and could be the main source of income depending on websites with heavy or low traffic. It also serves as a way for brand awareness and offers supplementary products or articles that relate to your website's main attraction. Having an individual website also allows for individual branding. Self-promotion shows stability and gives the audience or customers a foundation of trust for your product or article. Having an outlet on social media serves the same purpose. An organization or individual can use social media as a way of promoting their goods or services. You may use social media to brand new products or information to loyal customers. Advertisements create the brand while social media stabilizes it.